Welcome back to another video. I'm here in the shop with Ron Covell. Ron is a master metal shaper from California, and he's been around for a long time. He knows a lot of the tricks of the trade and has done, I think, a great service to the metal shaping community in producing some awesome videos and classes. And what brings you to Minnesota and our area here?
Hey, I came here to meet you. No, that's not quite true. I have a workshop not far from here, and when we met at SEMA, I thought, wow, what a great opportunity to come by, see you in your own environment, and look at the beautiful work you're doing.
Ah, thank you.
So I've been very impressed with the work that Chris is doing, building these Porsche-inspired cars. So it's a treat to learn more about your process.
Oh, thank you, Ron. And the workshop that you're doing here, is that a class? What kind of details do you cover when you do a workshop like this?
So the workshop I'm giving is in North Dakota, and Saturday is the beginning steel workshop, Sunday is the advanced steel workshop, and I share a lot of metal shaping techniques in these workshops. Awesome. It's an all-day deal, and people seem to like them.
Okay, and when you come in to do the workshop, are you focusing on the English wheel or hammering techniques? What do you cover?
The Saturday workshop is based on hand tools, and the Sunday workshop I get into the fancy stuff, the English wheel and other tools of that nature. So it's a mix.
Awesome, very cool. And so how long have you been shaping metal?
53 years professionally.
Wow.
Long time.
That is neat. And when you think about the years that you've been doing it, what do you think is the most interesting project that stands out to you? What are you maybe most proud of?
Of the work I've done?
Yeah.
When I was in my mid-30s, I built a car that was called the California Star. And I built every part of it, a tube chassis, all independent suspension, full aluminum body. And that's probably the single project that I'm most proud of.
Wow. And so what kind of drivetrain did you use? What power?
It was a mid-engine car. The engine was a V6 out of a Chevrolet Citation.
Huh.
And we used the same transaxle that came with that car.
Okay.
So it was pretty good. That's a front wheel drive car.
Yeah.
And we took that whole package and put it behind the passenger seat. So it became mid-engine.
And it's called the California Star.
Yeah.
I'll have to look it up. That sounds
Yeah.
pretty cool. Now, what excites you most today in metal shaping when you see, maybe what other guys are building, or what do you see that you think, that's pretty cool?
Well, so earlier in my career, the work that I was doing was of the greatest importance to me. That's true of anybody who's working their way up through a career.
Yeah.
But I'm at the other end of it now. So I'm teaching other people, and I love it when I see the work that other people are doing. They're taking these time-honored traditions and using them in new ways, using with a new focus. I just love that.
Ah, that's neat.
So I'm kind of into the educational part of it now.
Yeah, well, that is so cool. I think I can look at how we've sat and talked for a while, and you've explained your history to me, and I think it's a really a class act, the way that you've done it. And
Thank you so much.
yeah, I'm really glad you stopped by, Ron. Thanks
Great.
for
Thank you, Chris. It's been a pleasure.